In today's energy markets, I want to focus on WTI. WTI closing today 57.20. New closing high for 2019 now, and we did see WTI actually higher. 57.81 was the high for the day. This uptrend continues in the energy markets as we move through 2019. We're seeing some driving factors here. Number one being from a technical standpoint, we're seeing WTI rally significantly and making a series of higher lows and higher highs, and we did see quite a run out in Wednesday, pushing us up to this new level for 2019, around that 57.20 level. And looking at another driving force here is the trade negotiations between China and the U.S. We've seen news items coming out all week that appear to be more positive in tone. We had some news items coming out today, and I think that's part of the reason why we continue to see the energy markets pushing higher. The dynamic there is that they're making some headway. We have a March 1st deadline. There was some information today that maybe they might not make that March 1st deadline. We did see some selling pressure intraday, but ultimately then we saw the markets recover in the afternoon, and with that we saw the energy markets maintain this upper end of the range. And another factor playing into this continuation of this uptrend is the supply factor. Now, we have a lot of moving parts there. We've talked about it over the course of the last few months here on this show, and what I can tell you when you look at what's going on, we've got supply factors. OPEC and Russia continue to cut production, and that's driving force behind the price of WTI and Brent and oil markets across the globe. Now we continue to see the U.S. produce more, and the U.S. now reaching 12 million barrels a day, and that's a new record for the U.S. Production, but it's still being factored in with all the other moving parts, and we got Venezuela still in the marketplace. There's some issues there with the tariff situation and the trade situation. Also, we have Middle East production issues as well. That's contributing to the dynamic here, as well as Canada. And Canada having a difficult time getting their oil to the U.S., again, with pipeline restrictions. And those are factors that are also incorporated into the pricing of not only WTI and Brent, and that's holding a bid underneath this market, I believe.